Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Simpler Stocks free video for August 9th, 2016. As you see, it's about 1 minute before the bell. Today was all about the ES is just consolidating a lot of their gains. Now, what we're getting in here now is not really, I'd say, warning signs, but more like signs of just some consolidating and some loss of momentum. So what I mean by that right here is, yeah, the ES is down all of 75. NASDAQ down 225, really much ado about nothing. Russell down all of 10 cents, bonds unchanged, gold down 330, crude oil up a little. What's interesting is a lot of people last week that thought the bonds selling off and crude selling off was hitting the market. Today you had the bonds unchanged and crude up, and the market didn't do anything. See, the advanced decline all day was relatively positive. Nikkei up about 230. SPX, like I said, down all of 2 points. And you have the transports in here up all of 2 points. I mean, really tight range in here. Now, the thing that's going on in here that we're going to talk about on the premium side is, number one, we have resistance up here at this tree line. The other thing is you have some Bollinger Band activity regarding the VIX, which we'll be discussing in the Simpler Stocks Premium, and we did on the live chat this morning of what implications that has. The third thing we were wondering in there is watching the overall bond market. Another thing we'll be discussing on the Simpler Stocks Premium side. When you get your subscription, right now we have the $7 30-day trial. You get the chat room where I talk from 9 to 10 in the morning. You have the premium videos, which is 10 times more in depth than what you're getting right now. Go over more directional ideas. We go over unusual option activity. We also go over cheap stocks, the FANG stocks, which are the Facebooks and Teslas, Googles and Amazons of the world. Email alerts, forum, which is a message board type of way to communicate back and forth between subscribers or with me. Then we have a meetup. Now, the way the meetup works is about every 10 days, we do things like this, combine simple indicators with powerful patterns. I talk for about an hour, or I answer questions for an hour. It's a back and forth sort of format. Then they go in this learning center, and all of these are accessible for free with your subscription. It's not like every one is a different cost. If you go through with these, we've done a tremendous amount of these, tremendous amount of content that's free. Really neat in there. Other thing you should know in here is the email alerts. Every night I try to post at least 4 to 6 index charts. I like to have an overall view of the market, stock trades and chart ideas, and unusual option activity. 10 for 10 the last options. You have to take my course that's next week. Number one, we're going to have in there of how I pick these stocks. So next week I'm having a paid class on August 16th and live trading on the 19th. But regardless of how I pick them, I post a lot of them under the unusual option activity, and they've been very percentage-wise worked really well. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. If you get a chance, sign up for a $7 trial. Get the lot more in-depth version. So everybody have a great night. Talk to you tomorrow.